adding in extra ease is a common thing I get asked, and the reason why you might want to add in extra ease into your patterns is so that you can create a more oversized look. And what you want to do is cut into the pattern in various places to open it up to then add in extra pattern paper, which will then mean you're adding in extra fabric, which means more ease. So what you can do is just add in extra space in various different points. So I'm just going to draw lines down vaguely where you need to add them in, and you can use your 90-degree line along the bottom just to make it super accurate. And just bear in mind that you don't have to add into all of these places, you can just add into one depending on where you kind of want to add in that ease. So if I'm adding into this area here, I'm going to add in extra ease under the armhole. If I'm adding extra in here, I'm going to add in extra ease into the neckline, which will mean the edge of the neckline will then shift over a bit. If I add in extra here, I'm going to add in extra ease into the shoulder area and down this area here, which then means the shoulder length is going to continue, and this may not sit on the edge of your shoulder, it may come out a little bit more. So add into where you kind of want that ease to be, or you can add in evenly across all of these areas, and then all you literally want to do is just cut up whatever lines you're adding into. So, and then you're going to literally add in the amount you want. So you'll stick down this piece, then you'll draw a parallel line down from there. I can just quickly do that like so. And then I'll be adding this piece along here so that it's in parallel to the rest of the pattern. Like so. So that's one option, to add it evenly all the way down. Another option is to actually add it in so it gradually increases in one direction. So rather than you adding in the same amount all the way down, what you can do is just pivot it open from the top. So you're not changing the length of the neckline or anything like that, but you are adding in extra fabric down here, and then you're adding in extra ease around the bust and extra around the waist. But bear in mind, it gradually gets more and more the further down you come. So those are the kind of options you can do, and you can work between the different options between different areas of the pattern. So you could add in an even amount down here, and you can add in this tapered amount here, and make it work for your design.